Dogs are known to be man's best friend. They come in various breeds, sizes, and personalities. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 dog breeds that are loved by many. Number 1 on our list is the Golden Retriever. These dogs are known for their friendly, affectionate, and intelligent nature. They make excellent family pets, as they are great with children and other pets. Golden Retrievers are also commonly used as therapy dogs due to their gentle demeanor. German Shepherd. These dogs are known for their courage, loyalty, and protective nature. They are commonly used as police dogs, search and rescue dogs, and even guide dogs. German Shepherds are also great family pets, but they require early training and socialization. Pug. These dogs are small in size but big in personality. They are known for their wrinkled faces, playful nature, and loving personalities. Pugs are great apartment dogs, as they don't require much exercise and are content with just lounging around with their owners. Labrador. These dogs are known for their playful, friendly, and outgoing personalities. They make great family pets and are excellent with children. Labradors are also commonly used as guide dogs, search and rescue dogs, and even as therapy dogs. Bulldog. These dogs are known for their laid-back and affectionate personalities. They are great family pets, as they are great with children and other pets. Bulldogs are also known for their stubborn nature, so early training and socialization is recommended. There you have it, our top 5 dog breeds. No matter what breed you choose, a dog will always be a loyal and loving companion.